जी आईसीसी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी हिंदुस्तान ने जीत ली है और एक अजीब सी चीज मैंने देखी है कि पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट बोर्ड का कोई नुमाइंदा यहाँ खड़ा नहीं था। पाकिस्तानी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी होस्ट कर रहा था और पाकिस्तान का कोई भी नुमाइंदा यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा था। ये बात मेरी समझ से बाहर है। कोई रिप्रेजेंट करने क्यों नहीं आया ट्रॉफी और कोई देने यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं आया? इट इज बियॉन्ड मी।
A new controversy was stirred up by Pakistan after India won the ICC Champions Trophy 2025 final versus New Zealand on March 9. Questions were raised as to why it is that no one from the Pakistan Cricket Board, who were the official hosts of the tournament, was present on the podium during the trophy giving ceremony. The ICC has now issued a statement on the matter and put the blame for this solely on the PCB, as they sent no one who could actually represent them on the podium. Mr. Mohsen Naqvi was unavailable and did not travel to Dubai for the final. The ICC only invites the head of the host board, such as the president, vice president, chairman or CEO, to participate in the awards ceremony. Other board officials, even if present at the venue, are not part of the stage proceedings, an ICC spokesperson said. The PCB had sent Sumair Ahmed Syed, the director for the Pakistan leg of the Champions Trophy, and the COO to Dubai. But as he was not the board president, vice president, chairman or CEO, he was not ever going to be allowed on stage. Ex-Pakistan cricketer Shoaib Akhtar had lamented the absence of any PCB officials on the podium.
जी आईसीसी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी हिंदुस्तान ने जीत ली है और एक अजीब सी चीज मैंने देखी है कि पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट बोर्ड का कोई नुमाइंदा यहाँ खड़ा नहीं था। पाकिस्तानी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी होस्ट कर रहा था और पाकिस्तान का कोई भी नुमाइंदा यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा था। ये बात मेरी समझ से बाहर है। कोई रिप्रेजेंट करने क्यों नहीं आया ट्रॉफी और कोई देने यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं आया? इट इज बियॉन्ड मी। पॉइंट टू थिंक अबाउट इट प्लीज। वर्ल्ड स्टेज है, यहाँ पे आपको होना चाहिए था। But sadly, I could not see any Pakistan Cricket Board member out there, or ye hosted by us, and yet there is nobody there. Think about it. Feeling very down to see that.
He was not the only one who felt that way, as ex-Pakistan captain Wasim Akram echoed his views, saying it seemed odd that no one from the PCB was there. We were the host, weren't we, right? How come even the COO of PCB or whoever it may be who was representing the chairman, why weren't they on stage? It definitely looked odd to me while sitting here, Akram said. But it is now clear that the lack of PCB members was down to an error by the PCB themselves and should put to rest any conspiracy theories of the PCB being discriminated against.